Hello, I'm in Cologne for Gamescom.
Ni hao.
We're in Germany now.
Oh. Hallo, wie geht's? So
You turn around, so now I'm embarrassed. We're at the World of Tanks booth now!
And we're gonna play some World of Tanks Heat. World of Tanks Heat is a tactical vehicle shooter that's cross-platform and completely free to play.
I'm going into war!
Jump into dynamic 10v10 battles and experience fast-paced, team-based combat in large-scale PvP modes like Conquest, Domination, and Kill Confirm.
I got him! Go!
You can equip unique weapons, enhance armor, and deploy powerful battlefield abilities tailored to your playstyle. I just killed all 4 of these tanks.
World of Tanks Heat! Wish list now! I got a wristband.
Wow, that's so cool, Fiona. I'm so excited for today. Please help me. Help my family. My family's being held hostage. She's holding my family hostage.
I have to keep recording. I'm so sorry. Come along. We're gonna go. We're gonna go check out the band. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna go get some wine. Stop crying. But little do they know I'm 16. Dab.
You can drink at 16.
Oh, you can?
Pretty sure in Germany you
Little
can.
do they know I'm 15. Dab on them haters! We were trying to get Bogur to come in with me. The organizer said the most German thing ever and was like, do you guys belong together? As in like, are you guys here together? And I was like,
I'll fucking
yes.
like, does that mean I can get in? It's like,
and then later he was like, what is your relationship?
Yeah, what is
We're
your
like
relationship?
friends. He goes, friends.
Wire.
Ah,
Wire.
Parasocial shipper organizer.
You want to go in the wargaming event?
I sure do want to go to the wargaming
I
event.
would love to go to wargaming.
You know what else I want? For everyone to wish list World of Tanks Heat using my link in the description. Where are we again?
We're at the wargaming event, celebrating World of Tanks.
Heat! I can't believe we're at the wargaming event celebrating World of Tanks.
Heat! World of Tanks Heat is completely free to play. Engage in combat across visually distinct and tactically rich environments.
World of Tanks Heat! Mini Schnitzel, more like World of Tanks.
Heat. Unlock and master a growing lineup of agents and their unique vehicles.
Kartoffel Salat. Oh, what about World of Tanks Heat?
You can build and modify your perfect war machine.
Bogur is so excited about World of Tanks, he's spreading the word on his phone. What do you think he's saying?
You gotta wishlist World of Tanks Heat.
So
It's
fun.
super fun.
And
And I'm at the wargaming event right now.
Experiment, adapt, and find the perfect loadout for every combat role. World of Tanks Heat. Wishlist now.
Oh my god. This is great. I'm peeking! Oh my god, I'm peeking! Can you scratch my arm? Can you scratch my arm, please? You want water? I'm in the water. Oh my god. Is that good? Oh my god. Is it 6 a.m. and did EDC just end or what? Oh my god. Holy sh**. That is wild. We're in love. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. May I get an iced vanilla latte? Is that possible? I wonder what's in there.
I don't trust it for some reason.
It's making me feel wary.
A sexy song to be eating a shaboing boing to.
Oh, it's sweetener. Artificial sweetener. Why am I
Well, I
thinking
saw Advent.
sweetener? What about cherishing her? Listening to her? I have to put my feminist literature book down in the empty passenger seat of my Ferrari to type this, by the way. Someone gift that guy a sub. How do you finish so fast? You can also be in the shot, you know?
Well, you are Fanfan, the Twitch partner. I am Abdullah Zaidi, the recently unbanned former Twitch affiliate. And because you didn't let me put your fried onions on, I'm gonna be telling you for the rest of the day that you have onion breath, even if you don't. Ew, what the?
You can still be on a screen. Well, not all of you. Like, we can both be on the screen. You don't have to cut off my face. I'm literally Twitch partner Fanfan, and you're just recently unbanned from chatting something racist in my Twitch chat banned for a week, and then got unbanned ex-Twitch affiliate. I won't touch him, because he can't give consent, because he doesn't exist.
You know what pisses me off about his cosplay?
What?
He took his helmet off and he's handsome. Either be good at cosplay or be handsome.
Hi, that's really scary. I can't make eye contact. The eyes are so scary. I'm frightened.
Of course the furry wants to get on the deer.
Nice. I'm sore.
Hi, Sora, I'm Abdullah.
Shut up. Ow, 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 ow,
Oh.
ow. Oh my god, Zane! I love you, Zane! Can you take it off? You're scaring me.
You want me to take mine off?
Yeah, you're scaring me.
Okay, sure.
So stupid. I just muted the thing. I have to so bad. I'm gonna die. I'm seeing stars because I have to poop. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. What the fuck is this? Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I need a poop. It's gonna come out. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. No time for escalator. No. No, please. There's too many people. Where?
One.
You see it? Oh my god! Oh my god, I can breathe again. Oh my god. There are 3 people in line afterwards, but I'm just gonna take my sweet ass time.